Hi, I am the Gab2121, and I'm going to be teaching how to make a paper airplane my way. First, what you're going to do is fold. Oh, also you only need paper. First, what you're going to do is only fold this side, and I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. It should look like this. See how it's folded like this, and there's a little flap like this, and that's folded down. Do the same with the other side. Again. And it should look like kind of like a house. Like a flap. Another flap. And then what you're going to do is take the right side and fold that right to the line. And it should look like this. And it has this little flap up here. Fold it down to the line. And then you only have one triangle. Do the same with the other side. Right to the line. Should look like this. With that flap up, the flap down. And then you should have that like that. And then fold both sides over to the line. To the end. And it should look like this. And then what you're going to do is fold these sides right here. Fold these sides like that. Fold this sides down like that. Oh, do the same with the other. And then you should have paper airplane. And that's how you make it. Bye.